that. Adjust your glasses. No, you did it some other way earlier.
Like this. No.
Then?
You did this way.
What are you doing?
Adjusting his glasses.
I'm not getting it, dude. Just do it properly. I don't know. I can't make it out. I'm not getting it also. Okay, so what are your 5 coolest poses?
What?
Okay, that's one. Then?
Oh, no.
No, I just want to see if it looks good on the camera, dude. Then, what's number 2?
Number 2 is. Oh,
okay.
Number 3.
Number 3?
Bit like this. No. That's 3.
What's 3?
3 is.
Didn't think that one through, did you?
Wow. Oh, that. Yeah. Okay.
What?
4?
Do it again, do it again. Hold it.
Last week I got really
Do it again, dude.
for all I don't have a stomach.
Okay, then.
4?
What's 5? 4. That's the coolest pose. Okay, then what's 5?
What's 5? 5 is.
That's the coolest pose.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah, done.
done.